Hello, hey, welcome. This is a step-by-step instruction on how to perform the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test or Wilcoxon Rank Sum Test in R. Okay. The purpose of the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is to compare medians of two populations. So they're not comparing means. Okay, they're comparing medians. Study design should be paired design. Type of data should be ordinal or continuous because we are going to depend on the ranks of the data, so they must be ordered. Okay, so if you have a categorical data, then you can actually label any category as with any numbers. So if they're not ordered, you cannot really calculate the ranks. So then you cannot perform the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. Okay. Assume you have the data. For example, we have this data. We can assign them to x and y, two vectors, and you must make sure x and y are of the same length, because this is paired data, so they have to have exact same sample size. Okay. The command for performing the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is quite easy. So result assigned is Wilcoxon.testxy, and you must specify paired equal to true. Okay. So you run it, and then you can print out the result. Now you can see here it tells you the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Exact Test was performed. It gives you the test statistic V equal to 38. P-value is 0.3. So we accept the alternative hypothesis. Just remind you about the assumptions again of this test. First is independence and random sampling. Each pair of the observation should be independent of each other, and they must be paired data. And then the data management scale must be ordinal or continuous. In this test, paired observations are allowed. They're just not contributing anything to the test statistic, but it's okay. Yeah. Okay, then we can go try the Wilcoxon Rank Sum Test. Now in the Wilcoxon Rank Sum Test, the data points, we can have different sample sizes in the two groups. So here x and y, they have different lengths. If we assign them here, and the command for performing the Wilcoxon Rank Sum Test is even simpler. So we don't even need to specify the option. Just use Wilcoxon.test and xy. And here's the result. And for this test, it's a Wilcoxon Rank Sum Test with continuity correction. So that's what's implemented in R. And you can see for this data set, the p-value is rather small, so we ended up rejecting the null hypothesis. Okay, that's the step-by-step instruction on how to performing the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test or the Rank Sum Test in R. Thank you for watching.